Use the room tracker tool to populate room name and room number to designated parameters of elements in the model category, reflecting the room they belong to in the linked models. In this project, there are handfuls of VAV boxes in the model. My objective is to label each equipment with both the room name and room number reflecting the room it is in. There is no location parameter in this category, and the VAV boxes are physically located above the ceilings rather than within the room. Click Room Tracker. Select the target model category, in this case, mechanical equipment. Then select whether you want to populate the room names and room numbers to one parameter or two parameters. If one parameter is selected, the room name and room number will be populated to this parameter. Input the parameter named here. If two parameters is chosen, room name and room number will be populated to two different parameters. Enter the parameters names accordingly. In the next step, choose the linked models containing the rooms. Be mindful to include only the necessary models, as adding more will extend the tool's processing time. Then arrange the sequence of model for room detection. The model listed higher has higher priority to capture the element. For instance, if an equipment is physically within a room in the core and shell model as well as the interior model, the room name and number in the core and shell model will be populated to the equipment. Finally, select the equipment set to be tracked. 4 different options are available: all elements in the entire model, elements visible in the selected views, elements on the selected levels, or only the selected elements. Let's run the tool for a couple times and observe the outcome. For the first run, I want to track all mechanical equipment. Get the room information to the TK location parameter. Detect rooms in the core and shell model first, and then the interior models. Then track all elements in the entire model. Click OK. The room names and room numbers in the core and shell models were populated to the equipment. Let's undo and make some changes before we run the tool again. This time we will change the order of the linked model. The interior models are moved up higher in the list. The rooms in the interior model will be assigned to the equipment instead, and only equipment on the first level will be processed this time. Let's run the tool again with another setting. Select electrical fixtures from the model category list. Then select track elements in the select views only. Select only level 1 electrical plan. The electrical fixtures on level 2 are ignored. Run the room tracker tool again. This time I'm selecting custom selections from the list. The tool returns to the active view. Windows select the few receptacles in the view. Only the selected receptacles will be tracked. The architectural walls can have multiple layers. When placing wall-mount devices and fixtures on the wall, the device or fixture could mount to the inner layers easily. To address this common mistake, turn on the room calculation point in the family. The room calculation point is a feature in Revit that allows the user to schedule equipment per room more efficiently. When the room calculation point is turned on, a green dot appears, indicating that the room is aware of the fixture. Load the family back to the project. This ensures that the room accurately recognizes the fixture. This is the best practice to enable more accurate device and fixture room tracking. Enable room calculation point for all wall mount and floor mount fixtures such as receptacle, floor boxes, floor sinks, etc.